I'm Dr. Sunil Khetarpal, Chief Transformation Officer, Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center. Now, in the current COVID scenario, there are various challenges faced by the hospitals, by the patients, by the healthcare providers, and by the public. Challenges faced by the hospitals are to ensure the safety of the staff, of the patients and the family, and because of low occupancy rate, low footfall in OPD, and the routine surgeries not happening, there is an issue of payment of salary to the staff. There is shortage of PPEs, and there is lack of understanding of protocol regarding COVID prevention, diagnosis and management. And for the patients, the challenges are there is fear and anxiety among the patients. They are in mental stress and depression, and the hassles of going through the screening in the hospital, of course, which is very important. And patients with comorbid conditions and patients who are immunocompromised can become seriously ill. And patients who are not able to travel, the quality of care is compromised as they are not able to reach the hospital. And the challenges faced by the healthcare workers are there is a lot of stigma, and there is physical and psychological burnout due to long working hours and dealing with COVID patients. There is paucity of protective gears, and on the top of it, there is violence against doctors, which is very rampant today and which should be vehemently condemned by one and all. And the challenges faced by the public, there is utter confusion, panic, fear and anxiety, and a lot of misinformation through the social media and fake news. Of course, social media is otherwise very important. And there is financial burden, especially on those who are in low income group and who are daily wagers. Now, we have taken certain initiatives to overcome these challenges. Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, being a cancer hospital, all our patients are immunocompromised and they are vulnerable and susceptible to viral infections, and we are extra cautious with them. So we have prepared various SOPs and protocols in line with the circular and the advisory issued by the state government, central government and ICMR from time to time. And we have a system of continuous training and education of staff, patients and family. And we have implemented stringent infection control and prevention measures. And there is adherence to strict screening protocols for patients, family and staff. There is queue management and social distancing, testing of suspects against COVID. And our staff are working on staggered duties to avoid crowd and restricted movements. So most of our staff have even downloaded Arogya Setu app. So my message for the audience is to maintain strict discipline during lockdown, boost your immunity, and optimally utilize your time with your family and learning new things. I give you an example of fishermen. When a fisherman cannot go to the sea, so they mend their net. It means learning more, learning deeply, or learning differently. So respect and support the professions which are working day and night selflessly. Among them are doctors, nurses, paramedics, police and security personnel, the janitors and housekeeping staff. Take care of elderly, take care of needy people. As far as possible, go for e-consults, audio or video consult for routine or follow-up advice, and download Arogya Setu app. Update yourself and educate people. My message to the Voice of Healthcare is, Voice of Healthcare, like many other NGOs, have constituted a task force for taking appropriate action and to support government initiative to combat COVID. Let us support each other and work together to fight against coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Long live mankind.